Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever opened up Canva and felt a little stuck trying to make a simple circle outline, maybe for a logo, a highlight, or to frame a photo, this tutorial is just for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make a customizable circle outline in Canva step by step like a pro. So let's jump right in and get started. First things first, make sure you have your blank canvas open in Canva. You can start with any size that fits your project, whether you're working on a social media post, flyer, or even a YouTube thumbnail. Having a blank canvas is like starting with a fresh sheet of paper, nothing in the way, just space for your ideas. Now on the left sidebar, you'll see a panel called Elements. Go ahead and click on that. Elements is pretty much Canva's visual toolbox. It holds everything from shapes to lines to illustrations. We're going to use it to find our circle. Just scroll down a bit and you'll spot the section for basic shapes. Click on the basic circle shape. You'll see it pop right onto your canvas. Once the circle is on your canvas, give it a click to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the outline and those adjustment points appear around it. This is where the magic starts to happen. Up in the toolbar at the very top of your screen, you'll notice an option called Stroke Style. This is Canva's term for adding borders or outlines to shapes. Just give that a click. You'll see a new set of options open up, including different border styles, solid, dashed, maybe even dotted, depending on the latest Canva updates. Think of these like picking out the frame for a painting. A solid border gives you a clean, classic outline, while a dashed or dotted style can make things look more playful or modern. Pick the border option that best matches the style you're aiming for in your project. You can always experiment a bit, nothing's permanent until you click away. Now comes the part where you'll really customize your circle, adjusting the stroke weight. This is just a fancy term for how thick or thin you want your circle outline to appear. In the same stroke style menu, you'll find a slider or a numerical input for weight. If you want a delicate thin circle, for instance, as an accent, you can set the weight lower. If you need something bold and eye-catching, bump up that number. It's a bit like choosing the thickness of a marker. Take a moment here and play with the thickness until it feels right for your project. Don't worry if you don't get it perfect the first time. You can easily come back and tweak it as your design comes together. And that's pretty much it. You've got a clean, customizable circle outline ready to use, and you can drag it, resize it, or even duplicate it as needed. Circles like this are super versatile, whether you're highlighting text, adding emphasis, or just bringing balance to your layout. I hope this walkthrough made the process clear and stress-free, but if you've got any questions or if Canva updates their interface and things look a little different on your end, just drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.